Hey guys, how we doing? I've got the cooking stand here from Hillbilly Camping Gear. They're a company out of Victoria, Australia. I've been using this exact stand over the last year at all my camps to do all my cooking. I'm going to let you know what I like about it and let you decide whether it's something you want to introduce into your kit. Let's do it. So what do you get? I've bought the cooking stand, which is this. That comes separate to the pot holder. So even though this is a pot holder, I've used it for cooking up meat, which you've probably seen before if you've watched the channel. It's not ideal for cooking meat. You want to make sure you have quite a large piece of meat if you're going to be cooking on there, just because of the gaps. It can be done. It's not what it's made for, but you can do it. This holds up my cast iron cooking pot, no worries. It also holds up my cast iron pan, which is great as well. These here are two hooks which go on that will hold your billy pot or your billy can. So this is what I've got. I am looking at the mesh cooker that will replace this as something that I'll use to cook protein and stuff like that. As you can see, I've got a lot of use out of this and it's pretty much done its job as you would expect. One of the best parts about this cooking stand, it is super solid. I've whacked this into all sorts of ground and it's just stayed there absolutely rock solid. One of my favorite parts is it has this foot here, which if you are in softer ground, you can actually use the pegs that they provide and fix the stand down into the ground. Gives you a bit more sturdiness and less chance of it leaning and things like that. So after you've whacked it into the position of your choice, it's just a matter of sliding the gear down, getting it to the height you want, and then that's it. It is very sturdy. You can put a lot of weight on there depending on how solid the ground is. And now with these, same sort of deal. They slide on and it's all friction. You can keep them out the way when you're not using them. This is my cast iron cooking pan. Obviously that is just no drama whatsoever for this application. And I've got my bigger cast iron pot or camp oven. And as you can see, it does it no drama whatsoever. And again, if you're in a softer ground, the pegs going into the foot of this cooking stand just give you that extra sturdiness if you need it. With the old billy, you just move that out of the way. They move very freely. Chuck the old billy in, lower it down, and away you go. One thing I did notice, and I think that they've changed it now, is that these hooks actually had a black coating on it that when it got hot, it got a little bit sticky and gooey. I think they've actually changed that now, looking on the website. But it's done the trick for me, and it's never really been a major concern. Now, obviously, this is a short, sharp review. There's really not a whole lot to talk about. It's a great quality product made in Australia. It does the job and absolutely perfectly. I haven't had any issues with it. One thing I would maybe like to see on their website, I haven't seen it yet, would be a canvas bag or something like that this stuff could go into. Right now I'm just using a Hessian bag that it came with on delivery. Who knows, maybe something like that in the future. But overall, if you're in the market for a cooking stand, I can't recommend this enough for the price, the quality, and the amount of attachments that you can actually get with this cooking stand is quite significant. So you can have all sorts. This is the absolute basics of what you can get. There's probably other products out there. I haven't really done any more research. I've liked this so much, I haven't wanted to change at all. That's the cooking stand from Hillbilly Camping Gear. Great quality stand, very affordable, and something I really enjoy using. If there's anything else you would like to see, any other reviews of the products that I use or the gear that I use, let me know and I can do something on one of them as well. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.